Hi, my name is Dana Raphael. I'm one of the clinical nutritionists at HSS, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a powerhouse smoothie for post-op healing, incorporating some of the key nutrients previously discussed in my video on nutrition and post-surgical healing. The recipe is listed below, and the only equipment needed is a blender. I'm using berries. They're high in vitamin C, which can help your surgical incision heal a little bit quicker. Leafy greens are loaded with B vitamins to give your body a little bit more energy and give you some good fiber. Adding in a source of fat will help absorb the vitamins and minerals from the fruits and the vegetables. I'm using sunflower seed butter, but you can use any nut or seed butter that you have on hand. Incorporating a complex carbohydrate like from banana and oats will give your body its preferred source of energy. And last but not least, making sure that you do have a source of protein like Greek yogurt or using a protein powder. Your protein needs are increased after surgery, so definitely make sure you do have some kind of protein in your smoothie. You can take all the ingredients and add them to the blender, and then using your milk of choice, you can add as much or as little depending on the consistency that you want your smoothie to be. Blend until smooth and enjoy as a nutrient-dense snack.